Give this new person a chance because this can actually be really, really, really good for you. Now, for others of you, I feel like this is definitely the past person wanting to make things right. This person is manifesting you back into their life, and I'm seeing that they're coming back in because they're going to give you a brand new love offer. But you're currently still separated from this person. Alright, so yeah, let's hop in. Let's see what's going on with Taurus, please. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Alright, so I'm picking up somebody wants the truth about a situation. Okay. Your justice could have been served if you were done wrong. It's a lot of different ways that could go. Somebody could be going through a legal situation. So let's just see. Yeah. Somebody walked away. Ooh, so, okay, Taurus, this could be you looking at, if you were the one done wrong, this is definitely pertaining to you. Cross watcher, if you're dealing with a Taurus and they hurt you, this is what's going on. But I'm seeing that whoever was done wrong here, you guys had to walk away from this person. So this is already telling me pass. Because this individual was being very sneaky. Yeah, you guys have been healing. I feel like it hurt you walking away. But you were tired of the nonsense. Somebody is dealing with an Aries here. You just want stability in your life. You want to be with someone that can provide, everything that you deserve, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Like, you want all of that. But the way the Tower just came out, I feel like somebody's avoiding a Tower moment. I don't know if this is you or this other person. Tell me more. Let's see. Oh, you just gonna fall like that on my crystals. Hold on. Okay, I'm seeing the Queen of Swords reversed. So somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But honestly, guys, looking at this, I feel like this could go so many ways. Okay, let me put it like this. If you were the one done wrong, Taurus, I feel like Spirit is saying for some of you guys, you could still be holding on to someone, and Spirit is saying you need to let them go. Because remember, I told you for some of you guys, you have new love coming in. You're manifesting someone new, but you have to release the anger, the hurt, the pain, this individual. You have to let all of that go. For others of you, this could be the person that basically did you wrong, right? And they want to come back and bring stability into the situation. Like, they want to start over, but they're avoiding this Tower moment. They're avoiding basically cutting something or someone off, and they're also afraid that if they come back towards you, that you're going to be done. They're feeling like maybe you don't want to move forward with them. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but this person, they love you. They want a commitment with you, and see, they're trying to clear away obstacles in order to be with you. They were being a player in the past, that in and out energy as well. And so now this person, they don't want to do that with you anymore, But they need to come in and speak their truth. Look, I can't make this up. There's communication coming in. Look at that. They're coming back to tell you, how they really feel. They want to express their love. They want to let you know that they didn't balance things out. They know you were the one that did everything. Look at that, 11-11. I can't make it up. This person is coming back. This is your soulmate. For some of you, it could be a twin. But regardless to the title, it's like, this person wants to come back to make things right with you, and that's a decision that they made. But right now, you guys aren't talking. So whoever this is someone that you are not communicating with right now. Ooh, let me try to come up. Okay. See, they don't have a peace of mind. They don't know how to fix this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yeah. This person definitely, they don't know, like I just said, they don't know how to fix things with you. I'm picking up, they're afraid that things may not improve, but this was it's like this is their karma. Your justice was served. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice, please. Clarify justice for Taurus. Ooh, somebody's going through a divorce. So, hold on. Okay. That's why they were avoiding the Tower moment, leaving someone else. Okay. Y'all, don't give me a headache. I just had this conversation with Pisces. Okay, so look. So many of y'all. So look, just take it however it fits. Somebody is in a situation with someone else, whether it's you, Taurus, cross-watcher is you, or it's the person that just messed up. But regardless, somebody's going through a divorce. Somebody is married, and they're needing to get out of a situation. That's what they're trying to do. But they've been avoiding making this decision, moving on. Let's just say, if they're not married and it's not divorced, this is somebody needing to get out of some type of business deal, some type of contract, some type of legal situation that they have with someone else in order to move forward. But this was their lesson. Oh, and baby, they learned their lesson because they're coming. They're getting out of it. See? They're going to have the confidence to come towards you. But they got to leave the situation. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person is losing hope. See? Because they still feel stuck in this other situation. Back and forth with the Two of Cups. Yeah. See? They want a relationship with you. They want to commit to you. But for a lot of you guys, this person is still stuck in a situation with someone else. Could be a relationship, commitment, contract. There's something here. And see, they know that they hurt you and they stabbed you in the back. And they want to make things right. But they're trying to decide on how exactly to go about doing it. This person, I feel like they're really upset with themselves on how everything has played out. Somebody could be dealing with, Cancer almost slipped. So maybe it's a Cancer, but I want to say water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. They're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. They're needing to get out of this third-party situation, which I feel like they are. And that's why I told you before, they're manifesting you guys back into their life. And they're trying to stay positive, but they don't know if they can turn things around with you. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Look at that. Air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. There's two people. So I know for a fact this person was juggling you and someone else, or they were in some other type of situation. But honestly, looking at this, remember I told y'all I feel like new love is coming in. So maybe they're freaking out because you could already have moved on and you're dealing with someone else, you know, or they know that you're such a good person that someone else is getting ready to come in, you know, and they're afraid that you're going to cut them off for good if they don't hurry up and make a move. Tell me more. See, could be dealing with a Leo, but somebody doesn't have the strength to approach you just yet. See, they're trying to get out of a third-party situation. They don't want to be stuck in something that they're not happy in. Like, this person was really comfortable. They weren't making a move, and that's the problem. See, they're trying to put an end to a situation. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yep. They want to give you an offer, but right now they're not taking the leap to do it just yet. So, again, they're coming out of being frustrated, but see these two fives? This is a mental conflict. They're in their head a lot. You know, that's why I told you before I picked up like that wishy-washy energy. This is what I'm talking about. It's like because they know that they left you out in the cold. I feel like there's a lot of disagreements with them and someone else. Could be pertaining about money. Maybe they feel like if they leave a situation, they're leaving somebody or individuals out in the cold. It's just a lot. Yeah, but see, because of the way that they treated you, they feel like they're not going to have a victory with you. Tell me more. And that's why they're having a hard time with this. Because they're coming to give you this cup here, this love offer, but right now, they can't. You know, they're isolating themselves because they know that they were being very immature and childish, and they're needing to get out of a third-party situation. See, it's either family, either they have a family with someone, or there was family that was involved here. But they're trying their best not to look back at the past and what they did, because see, they're letting it go. Whatever situation that they're in towards, they're removing themselves. They're walking away from something that they were in that was toxic with this person here. So some of you could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But y'all already know Queen of Wands reversed. That's somebody's mother figure, you know, mother to their child. They're going to walk away. And see, that's why they were stuck. They were worried about their money because walking away from this individual, they know that somebody was going to, you know, come after them, or this individual was going to come after them. So they were worried about their financial stability. Taurus, you could be dealing with the Taurus. But I'm seeing here this person wants a commitment with you, but they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. They do want to move forward with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. See what I'm saying? This person sees you as wish fulfillment. They want to have a life with you, and that's the decision that they made. They're not confused. That's them coming out of their head. See, they want to start over and build with you, Taurus. I can't make that up. But they're in their head. They can't sleep because of the simple fact of everything that they put you through. See, they had you waiting while they were moving slow. And this person is still moving slow to come back in because they really don't even know what to do, how to fix this. See, they're stuck trying to decide on how exactly to go about doing this. Back and forth energy with the Queen of Pentacles. See, that's you. It's like 1 minute, it's like they feel like you don't want to put any more energy into them. The next minute, they still feel the same way, but it's like you're moving on. You're healing. You're focusing on you. It's like if they've been, watching you via social media, you have mutual friends, and they're just kind of like keeping tabs on you. You guys are basically living your best life, and they know it. And that's what's freaking them out right now. Could be dealing with another earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. See? They're not putting in the work. They're not putting in the work right now because they're still stuck in something codependent. Yeah, and they know if they come back towards you right now and they haven't removed themselves out of that situation just yet, things will not be balanced between the two of you. But see, they want happiness. Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius. This person is making plans. They're making long-term plans. They want to be with you. And see, they want to give you this offer that you deserve. But Spirit is saying right now, they're not listening to their intuition because they're feeling like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Because right now, they still feel stuck. They don't have a peace of mind being stuck in this other situation that they're in. I'm sorry, y'all. Is it getting a little dark? But anyway, this is why they're dragging their feet to come back towards you. But they're going to speak their truth. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but I'm telling you, they're going to give you this stable, secure offer of love here. Look at that. They want a home with you. They want a family with you. See? 2 4s. I'm telling you, they want a family with you. They want stability with you. They want to have it all with you. But they're afraid because of the situation that they're in, and it could be a home or a family situation that has basically put a wedge, between the two of you. This was the obstacle. They're feeling like things may not improve. And at this point, they know that they hurt you. And they're unsure if you're going to open up and speak, to them or even speak your truth if they were to come back and basically pour out their heart to you. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But yeah, this person's on edge because they don't even know what you're going to say. And they're more so afraid that you're going to reject them. Taurus. That was your reading, okay? Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Soon. Bye. Soon. Bye. Soon. Bye.